Hey there, Joey Babino here. I'm happy to be back. It's been a while since I posted my last video. Took a break for the summer and now I'm back. Back to school is in and I'm super pumped to get back into producing more content. And we have some exciting things coming for Powerhouse Affiliate members where we're going to start doing some more internal videos for people who have joined our course membership. So make sure, if you haven't done that already, come into powerhouseaffiliate.com, sign up for our membership, because we will be doing more of these live trainings and YouTube videos only exclusive to members throughout the remainder of the year and into next year. So that leads me into today's topic. We are entering into, again, one of the busiest times of year. It's Q4. A lot of affiliates love this time of year. A lot of ad networks, a lot of networks, affiliate networks like this time of year because there is a lot of traffic and a lot of conversions. But today's video, I'm going to talk about some of the trends that are happening. What are the best traffic sources for you to capitalize on this trend? And how can you start making money with Q4 and this big time of year that everybody talks about throughout the industry? You have affiliate managers hitting you up constantly. Hey, this offer is crushing, or this traffic source. So let's get into it now and let's talk about Q4 and how we can make money this year. All right, let's not waste any time here. I'm going to talk about what I think is one of the best strategies for this time of year. I'm going to show you 3 traffic sources and how to find what other people are doing. And I'm going to show you examples of this already happening now. Now is the time to start planning for Q4 because there are so many things happening. People are buying now and getting ready for the holiday season. As you can see in Google Trends, let's have a look at some of the trends happening during Q4. We have Black Friday every single year. You can see since 2004, slow increase. Well, actually a kind of a quick increase since 2004, right up until a peak here in 2018. Went down a bit. That could be because, of course, COVID, all of that stuff happening. It's probably going to start going back up. And then we have Cyber Monday during the same week. Again, same kind of trend. Thanksgiving, no surprise here. Trends every single year during this time of year. And Christmas. Now, what we see here is a trend where this happens every single year. And you could either target a Black Friday landing page and offer, or you could do Cyber Monday, or you could do something around Thanksgiving or Halloween, all of those things. But all of those require one campaign per each event. And then you got to focus on all of those things, especially if you're doing search keywords or search traffic through Google. You're going to have to set up multiple campaigns. And that's a lot of work. A lot of people don't like doing that. So another strategy is to target things like what people are doing during this time of season, this time of year. I mean, they're eating differently, they're doing different recipes, they're doing different events with their family. But one of the biggest things is they're buying gifts. People are buying gifts, no doubt, this year, and we need to get prepared because here we are in August, September, and we're just about to hit that peak. Now's the time to set up our campaigns. So what do we do? Well, let's talk about the first traffic source here that I really like, which is Google search ads. For those of you who are familiar with this channel, you know I've done a series on Google search ads, and I've also done a complete course inside Powerhouse Affiliate. Check the link down in the description. You can get access to that course to get yourself set up now for what's about to happen during this time of year. Now, when you search best gifts, you can see on here there are multiple listicles. These are landing pages that I've talked about again on this channel. Check the video that'll pop up on different landing page styles for Google ads. And you'll see here when you come to sponsored ads, these are people buying ads. You can see trendiest gifts of the year, 35 most popular gifts of 2023. These people are already getting set up for what's about to be their busiest time of year. 40 best gifts for women who have everything. Now, I find these are quite boring. Here's one of the listicles I found here. You can see here 50 most popular Christmas gifts of 2022. This is an example, and this is actually live right now. You can see they're doing a few things to monetize this page. Not only are they doing Amazon, but they're also linking through AdSense and stuff like that to kind of arbitrage the traffic from Google Ads to make this profitable for themselves. And you can see it's a long listicle of ads, mostly Amazon, Walmart, and other little networks or products that are available through an affiliate program. What I really like though is a different style of landing page, which is CPA affiliate offers. And you might have seen them, and this is a better example. These 7 viral TikTok products are actually worth the crazy hype. And you can see how more extravagant that headline is for this landing page. And this is the type of landing page I think does extremely well during this time of year, especially. If you're going to create a landing page for this, make sure, especially even on Google, that your landing page is a little more sensational, but be careful with policies and stuff like that. But you can see how much more conversion driven this website is based on specific CPA affiliate offers. And in our next live inside our members area, we will talk about where to get these offers and some of the best networks for that. So be sure that you join our membership down below so you can get access to that when we do the Q&A on where to find these types of offers. But basically, for Google Ads, if you want to search and see more of these ads around gift ideas or anything like that, you can come into SEMrush, and you can see over here there's an advertising dashboard. You can start searching other domains that are running these types of ads, and you can see all of their ads, all of their landing pages based on the specific word gift ideas and stuff like that. So that's the spy tool you would use for Google search ads. You can get a free trial using the link down below, powerhouseaffiliate.com/SEMrush for a free trial. Strategy number 2 for getting traffic to these types of offers and landing pages is using native ads. And you can see here on CNN in this example, I see somebody already is running the 29 of the coolest gifts for this 2023. So somebody's already on it. And you can see they're advertising on CNN, which is done through native ads networks. We do have a native ad course that is available, but I also have a ton of free content on this channel. If you just scroll through and search for native ads, you'll see I talk about native ads a lot. One of the best places for native ads is Outbrain. You can get ads on CNN, Fox News, all of that using a ad like this. And you can see when you click on it, you'll see that the landing page comes to a 29 insanely cool gadgets that are going to sell out this September. They've already started for Q4, and they're getting ready to hit every single event coming up in the next 3 months. And again, built for conversions. You can see it's specific for, these are actually CPA affiliate offers, again, that are all from one network. And that is basically the strategy here. And if you want to spy, again, on what others are doing, use a tool like Adplexity. You can get a 30% lifetime discount on Adplexity going to powerhouseaffiliate.com/Adplexity. And you can actually start spying. Over here, you can see everyone's ads, what they're doing, landing pages. You can check this channel that you're watching right now for videos on Adplexity. Again, I've done examples of inside this platform, what it looks like to spy on these typical ads that you're going to see that people are using to start capturing traffic around the Q4 buying season. And these are generally for e-commerce style offers. The next strategy is using TikTok. TikTok is huge for e-com right now, especially, and you can see people are using gift guides or, you know, the best gift for 2023. They're doing videos like that, posting them on a channel all about gifts, special gift ideas. You can search all of these topics and you'll see examples of people doing this organically. So they're not even buying ads. These are people actually setting up TikToks talking about these gift ideas and then sending people either by saying go to this website or putting it in their description. But another strategy is to actually buy TikTok ads. And if you want to see TikTok ads and what other people are running, use a tool like pippyads.com. You can use this free using the link down in the description. Go to powerhouseaffiliate.com/pippyads and you can start spying on what people are doing in e-commerce. Now, if you want to start specifically searching for gift ideas, you can search the keyword here and you can start filtering out. You can start filtering by country and you can see all of the ads that are running, what they're doing to demonstrate some of these gadgets and showing people how they work and then directing them to a landing page through their ads. this is just 3 strategies that I think are probably the best for this year. If you get into YouTube video ads, I think it's a little more difficult at this time. So TikTok ads, I'm actually running TikTok ads right now, as well as Google ads. And I have not run any Outbrain recently for the native ads, but as you can see from my example, there are affiliates doing it right now. And there's a whole bunch of other ideas here, obviously, too, on CNN. All you have to do is just go there and check out what people are doing to get ready for this season. So that is my quick rundown of how to get ready and get started on the Q4 buzz. Setting up listicles is probably one of the hardest things for most people. So if you go to some networks, they'll actually create the listicle for you. For example, GiddyUp is an affiliate network that you can go to. They have listicle links already built. You can simply take that link and start advertising it if you're using traffic sources like native ads. So native ads basically have less strict rules. You can go in there and set up a direct link to an affiliate offer, and you probably will not get banned. If you try that on Google, Facebook, or TikTok ads, you will be banned. So you have to build these listicles yourself. If you want more information on how to build listicles, search this channel. I've talked about it before. There's specific instructions. Also, if you want any more details and you want to ask more specific questions, post your comments below. I'm happy to answer. And hopefully you have a great Q4 season, and we'll see you in the next topic.